Welcome everyone to today's session on implementing intelligent storage management, optimizing persistent volumes for cost and performance. In the world of ultra-scalable systems, managing storage effectively is paramount. We'll explore how intelligent storage management transforms static storage allocation into a dynamic, optimized process, directly impacting your bottom line and application responsiveness. Persistent volumes, or PVs, are a cornerstone of stateful applications in containerized environments like Kubernetes, providing durable storage independent of individual pod lifecycles. Understanding how to manage them intelligently is crucial for any modern cloud-native architecture. This lesson will equip you with strategies to optimize these critical resources, ensuring your systems are both efficient and performant. As organizations scale, they often encounter significant challenges with their persistent storage. The first is PV sprawl, where an abundance of unmonitored and unoptimized volumes accumulates, leading to wasted resources. This directly contributes to soaring storage costs, often hidden until they become substantial budget concerns. Furthermore, inadequate storage provisioning or inefficient access patterns can create severe performance bottlenecks, slowing down critical applications and impacting user experience. Identifying and mitigating these issues requires a proactive and intelligent approach, moving beyond manual, reactive storage management to a more automated and data-driven strategy. Without proper management, these challenges can severely limit scalability and operational efficiency. At the heart of intelligent PV management lies Kubernetes storage class and dynamic provisioning. A storage class abstracts the underlying storage infrastructure, allowing administrators to define different tiers of storage with varying performance, cost, and availability characteristics. For example, you might have fast SSD for high-performance databases and standard HDD for archival data. Dynamic provisioning, enabled by storage classes, automates the creation of persistent volumes on demand, eliminating the need for manual pre-provisioning. When a pod requests a persistent volume claim, PVC, referencing a storage class, a PV is automatically created and bound, significantly streamlining operations and ensuring resources are provisioned exactly when and where they're needed. Optimizing costs involves intelligently managing data lifecycle and characteristics. Storage tiering is crucial, moving data between hot, frequently accessed, high performance, and cold, infrequently accessed, low cost, tiers based on access patterns. This can lead to significant savings. Data compression reduces the physical size of data, directly lowering storage consumption. Many modern storage systems offer this transparently. Deduplication identifies and eliminates redundant copies of VBlots, storing only unique instances. For example, if you have 10 identical VM images, deduplication ensures only one copy is physically stored. Implementing these strategies can collectively achieve a 30–50% reduction in storage costs without compromising data integrity or availability for critical applications. Beyond cost, performance is equally vital. Optimizing persistent volumes for speed involves several key techniques. Improving IOPS, or input-output operations per second, ensures quick access to small data blocks, critical for transactional databases. Enhancing throughput, which is the rate of data transfer, is vital for streaming applications or large file transfers. This often means leveraging faster storage mediums like SSDs or NVMe drives. Implementing intelligent caching layers, either at the application, host, or storage array level, can dramatically reduce latency by serving frequently accessed data from high-speed memory. Finally, optimizing the underlying storage network minimizes bottlenecks and maximizes data flow, ensuring that even under heavy load, your applications remain responsive and deliver optimal user experiences. These strategies are key to achieving a 2 to 5x improvement in data access speeds. Manual storage management is prone to errors and cannot keep up with dynamic cloud-native environments. This is where automation and policy-driven management become indispensable. By defining policies, you can automate critical tasks, such as automatic tiering of data based on age or access patterns, snapshot and backup scheduling for disaster recovery, and even resizing of volumes as application demands change. Tools like Kubernetes custom resource definitions, CRDs, and operators, combined with external storage management solutions, enable you to encode these policies and automate their enforcement. This approach not only reduces operational overhead, but also ensures consistency, compliance, and optimal resource utilization, aligning storage behavior with your business objectives. This frees up valuable engineering time and reduces human error. You can't optimize what you don't measure. Robust monitoring and analytics are critical for intelligent PV management. This involves collecting metrics on PV utilization, IOPS, throughput, and latency across all your persistent volumes. Tools like Prometheus and Grafana provide the capability to visualize these metrics in real-time dashboards, offering immediate insights into storage health and performance. AI-powered analytics can go a step further, identifying anomalies, predicting future capacity needs, and suggesting optimal storage configurations. By understanding actual usage patterns, you can make informed decisions about right-sizing volumes, identifying underutilized resources, and proactively addressing potential bottlenecks before they impact applications. This data-driven approach is key to continuous optimization. Intelligent storage management isn't just about performance and cost, it's also about ensuring the security and integrity of your data. Robust security measures include encryption at rest and in transit to protect sensitive information from unauthorized access. Access control mechanisms such as role-based access control, or RBAC, ensure that only authorized users and applications can interact with specific PVs. For data protection, regular snapshotting and backup are essential, allowing for quick recovery in case of accidental deletion, corruption, or disaster. Disaster recovery strategies, including cross-region replication, provide resilience against major outages. Compliance with industry regulations like GDPR or HIPAA often dictate specific security and data retention policies that intelligent storage systems must enforce. A comprehensive approach safeguards your most valuable asset, your data. Applying these principles effectively requires adopting best practices. Firstly, implementing a robust storage class strategy with clearly defined tiers is foundational. Regularly reviewing PV usage and right-sizing volumes prevents waste and optimizes performance. For example, reducing an oversized volume can save 20% on monthly storage costs. Utilize policy-driven automation for lifecycle management, from provisioning to decommissioning. Consider hybrid cloud storage for flexibility and cost savings, leveraging on-prem for sensitive data and public cloud for scale. Always test your backup and disaster recovery plans thoroughly. A real-world example might be a streaming service dynamically scaling its content delivery network, using intelligent storage to tier hot content to fast SSDs and archival content to cheaper object storage, seamlessly adjusting for demand fluctuations and achieving a 99.99% uptime. In conclusion, implementing intelligent storage management for persistent volumes is no longer a luxury, but a necessity for modern, scalable architectures. By strategically employing storage classes, dynamic provisioning, and robust cost and performance optimization techniques, you can transform your storage infrastructure from a cost center into a strategic asset. Embracing automation, comprehensive monitoring, and stringent security measures ensures not only operational efficiency, but also data integrity and compliance. The benefits are clear: reduced operational costs by up to 50%,